I thought I'd show you guys what we got at the grocery store. Picked up some romaine lettuce for doing lettuce tacos. We got some more of these egg sandwiches that uses eggs instead of bread. Got some veggies. Marshall really wanted to try dragon fruit and his bananas. Got some poblano peppers for making chili relleno and jalapeno. Some sweet peppers that I like to chop up almost like chips. Marshall really wanted to try this organic peanut butter and chocolate cereal for a little bit of a treat. Some pimento cheese, Marshall's yogurt. Cheese sticks are a staple snack around here. Marshall's strawberries. He loves eating those. I like to get these sub kits of deli meat, and we'll actually make little, almost like Jersey Mike's sub in a tub, which is amazing. It's like a sub without the bread. Got some bacon, chorizo, which is amazing. I'm gonna use that for pollo con chorizo. Some summer sausage, always nice to slice up for a little bit of a snack with some cheese sticks. My favorite, pineapple habanero salsa that I use on cheat days. Totally worth the cheat. Got 2 different kinds of cream cheese, some avocados. Marshall loves these little ranch rice crisps, and some pork rinds. We love pork rinds as snacks, and Marshall really loves the salt and vinegar, which he has already gotten into. And that's about it.